Hi everyone, today we are going to be doing a bloom with our holiday colors. So we have lots of reds and greens. We have from ColourArte, we have Enchanted Forest, we have Kiwi, and we have Dark Emerald. And then from DecoArt, we have Christmas Green. And then for our red, we have ColourArte's Hot Cinnamon. And we have a really shimmery, wonderful color, Abalone Shell, also from ColourArte. And we have Meyspring-Pure Copper, and we have Pebeo's Rich Iridescent Gold. All of the colors are mixed with Behr 8300 and Jo Sonja Varnish. And just to show you the consistency with the red, you can just check that out and see. So not too thin, not too thick for my colors. This one is a little bit thinned out, but it works perfectly like this. Okay. So to get started, we are going to need our pillow, and that is going to be Color Places Onyx Black. And it is just in a condiment bottle. It's actually not mixed with anything. It's just in a condiment bottle. It's just great for some of the round projects that I've been working on. And this will work just fine. You can add something like GAC 800 if you want to do that to keep it from breaking. And that's all there is to it. I am just going to get everything ready, and I'm going to be using basically it's just a cake icer for this, and just spread out my paint just a little bit. My round is a little bit different than probably what you're used to seeing, and in the end you can see why that is, but it is just a balsam wood round here that I'm using, and I'm just taking my paint out to the edges. Okay, so I'm going to get started with laying down my colors, and I'm going to just let you enjoy from here on out. Listen to a little bit of music, and you can see me get my colors down. Now that all my colors are down, I'm going to be using a cell activator of Australian Floetrol and Amsterdam Titanium White. And I'm just going to load that onto the back of my palette knife here. And once I get that done, it's going to take me a few minutes just because it's such a big palette knife. And then I'm going to also add to it Pebeo's Rich Iridescent Gold, also made as a cell activator. And then I'm going to give it a swirl, and I'll let you see how things develop. Does it all make sense now? It's dry with all the sparkle. Thanks for watching.